Hello, this video is to show how to use easy install module to remove an active uh, configuration in Drupal 8. So you may have seen the unable to install errors. So this module is going to be used to remove that errors. So I'm going to show the demo on that. So you could see this easy install module is not installed yet. So I have uninstall. I'm going to uninstall the basic cut module now. So I'm uninstalling the module. The module is having a lot of configuration with it. So currently, by default, by default Drupal installation, it's asking for uninstall. So I'm uninstalling the basic cut module without easy install. So this is one way of uninstalling. You can uninstall through Drush also. Same thing will happen. The configuration will also be exist. So I'm passing the video. I'll revert back once the uninstallation is complete. Module is uninstalled successfully, the basic cut module, and now I'm going to install the basic cut module again. So the module is successfully uninstalled. I'm going to install the basic cut module again. So you could see this here, unable to install the basic cut module. So because these configuration are uh, already exist, is act- already exist in active configuration. Uh, so how to resolve this issue? So here, where you need to install the easy install module. Now I'm installing the easy install. I'll revert back on the once the module is installed. Now the module is installed successfully. Easy install module is installed successfully. Again, if I'm trying to install basic or module, so I could see installer. So once the module is enabled, you should have the purge configuration options here. So if you're not seeing that option, then you have to clear the cache. So I'm clearing the cache now. So I've cleared the cache now. I'm going to install again. I'm going to see whether the purge configuration option is came. So it's came. I need to check for basic card. I need to purge the basic card active configuration. So again, I have all the configuration listed here. I have also the new option came here. The I'm going to purge all the configuration of basic card module. So configuration have been all the configuration have been removed, purged. Then if I'm installing the basic art module, if I'm trying to install the basic art module, so now the module will not throw any error because we have removed all the configurations using the purge configuration of option of PC install. So you could see that module is successfully uninstalled. I mean install the basic art module is successfully enabled, and then this is a one way of doing the removing the active configuration using the purge configuration option. This will be useful when when your model is uninstall, and if you're not remove the active configuration, then this will be used. So the post configuration will be used for the uninstall module that have the active configurations. So another way of doing it, so now I'm going to uninstall the basic cut module again. So while I'm uninstalling a module itself, I'm going to use the easy install option. So this is a by default Drupal is showing all these configuration types, and also our uh, our easy install module is showing this way. So when uninstalling any module, you will have the delete all the list configuration option here. So if I check that and uninstall that, the module will be completely uninstalled. And also, if your module have optional configuration, you will also be shown up with the optional configurations here. And also, you will have two different options there. Select box there, checkbox there, where it will ask you whether you need to remove the optional configuration, or you need to remove the normal uh, record configurations. So the optional configurations also can be removed once your that module is having the optional folder in it. So I'm uninstalling uh, the module with deleting all the configurations. So in that uh, initially in the video, you could see without the delete all listed configuration options in the uninstall confirm form. So that would throw up the error when you reinstalling the basic cut module. So using the easy install module, this error active configuration error will be avoided when you're deleting the configurations. So module is getting uninstalled. So we also need to reinstall the module and check whether you are getting the same error. The active active configuration error. So module is successfully uninstalled and the configurations are deleted. So I'm going here I'm typing basic car. You are using a easy install module, and you have checked the delete all listed configuration while you uninstall the module. So you will not have any you should not have any installation errors, that is active configuration errors. So because you have successfully deleted all the configuration of the basic art module using easy install. So this is the usage of easy install module, and this module will be basically useful for all the developers, where developers Drupal developers will try to um, reinstall a module, or they will always uninstall and again install the module, and they will have also need to use some commands, or some code lines to remove push the configuration. The CC install module will help the developers to remove the active configuration while they are uninstalling the module from by the UI itself. You not any push commands, or um, any code to be done through the devel. So that's the usage of this module. So you could see that module is successfully installed. So it is not throwing any uh, installation errors. That means the any active configuration errors. That's it. Thank you.